Find or read reviews that people are talking about Bobomoti air conditioner with cooling and heating fan. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Quick heating and cooler. The 1500 watt high power electric wall heater rapidly heats up providing warm in a short period of time. Say goodbye to cold winter days and enjoy the warmth quickly. Functionality. The electric wall heater not provides warm for winter but also has a function for summer. Enjoy a cool fan effect during hot seasons. Perfect for all year-round use. Bathroom heating cooling solution. Specially designed for bathrooms, this electric wall heater effectively meets your heating needs in the bathroom. With its feature, it can be safely installed on bathroom wall, providing a comfortable temperature while bathing or grooming. Space-saving wall mount. The wall-mounted design of this electric heater saves floor space and makes installation and usage more convenient. Whether in the bedroom, living room, or bathroom, it can be easily installed on the wall, providing efficient heating effects. Large screen real-time temperature digital display. Enlarge the LCD screen, real-time temperature digital display working status at glance. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.